today's video we are going to be unboxing the May Look Fantastic box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the May Look Fantastic box. Let's get this open. Oh my goodness. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. This box costs £15 per month, and yeah, I will link it down below in the information box for you. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it gets, and if you use that link, I'm sure you get a bit cheaper, but click it just to double check. So this is inside the box. We have an advertisement. We have the little card here that we scan, a QR code, and it'll bring up a digital edit card for the products in the box. We have an advertisement, and then there is a bit of a sneaky peek. Not a very good one, but let's just have a good dig through to see exactly what we've got. Let's get to it. Right, so I've just scanned the card and I've got all the information. So the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Sol de Janeiro, and it's the Bum Bum Cream. It's the travel size version, which is 25 mils, and it has a value of £11. Let's just make that a bit bigger. It just says that this deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin. Elevate your body care routine with an irresistible scent of the iconic Cheirosa 62 fragrance. Pistachio, salted caramel. Oh my goodness, am I okay? Are you okay? Am I okay? I don't know. Salted caramel and vanilla, the perfect holiday essential. Just massage in circular motions to lock in the moisture. Start with your bum bum and then move to the rest of your body. Yeah, great. I have heard amazing things about this. Have I got one in my drawer already? But if I have, I haven't used it yet because I've got so many open products at the minute. I'm trying to get used up. But yeah, super happy to get this. Should I open it? No, I can't. I've got too many products open. But yeah, awesome. And the scent sounds right up my street because I love me a bit of vanilla. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Wella Fusion, and it is a hair mask. This is also a travel size product, which is 75 mils and has a value of £10. So let's have a look. This 5-minute conditioning mask helps to repair damaged hair and protect against further breakage, leaving you with silky smooth locks. Formulated with the brand's Silk Steel Fusion technology, this nourishing mask leaves the hair feeling hydrated and satin soft. The brand's Metal Purifier Complex helps to preserve the visible vibrancy and tone of dyed hair. Okay, that sounds cool. I love trying things on my hair, so super excited to get this. It is sealed. Oh, I'm going to leave that sealed because otherwise I'm going to put it in my hair drawer and it'll explode everywhere. But that's really weird actually, because this is actually on my wish list that I've just popped into my basket on Amazon. So I can take that out now because I've got it. That is so bizarre. But yeah, this is going to be fun to try out. The third item in the box is going to be a possible one product of two. So you're either going to get something from the brand Nux, and it's going to be the multi-purpose dry oil, which is a full-size product of 30 mils worth £13, or you're going to get something by Rodial, which is the vitamin C papaya enzyme scrub, which is a travel size at 20 mils but has a value of £15. So I like both products, but I'm super happy to say that I got this one. So this is the vitamin C papaya enzyme scrub. So super happy. Infused with high performance vitamin C and papaya extract, this gentle gel to oil exfoliator coats your face with skin protecting antioxidants that promote radiant complexion with a luminous glow. perlite and jojoba beads derived from volcanic extracts help to even the skin tone and texture, leaving you with softer looking skin. That's great, and it just says you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Apply onto damped, cleansed skin, leave on for a few minutes to help activate the ingredients, massage in a circular motion to exfoliate the skin, focusing on uneven skin tone areas, and then rinse off. Yeah, cool. Love rodial, absolutely love it. I can't wait to use it. Love, super happy I got this one. So the fourth product in the box, you're gonna get again a possible one product of two. So you're either going to get something by the brand Lanolips, which is a 101 ointment multi-balm in coconut, a full-size product worth a tenner, or you're going to get something by the brand Dr. Pawpaw, and it's the Shea Butter Lip Balm, which is a full size, which has a value of £6. And I am super happy to say I have not got the Dr. Pawpaw one. I have this one. So this is by the brand Lanolips. Thank you. I am so sick of Dr. Pawpaw at the minute. So yeah, really happy to get this. This multi-purpose 100% natural balm boasts a moisturising blend to deeply hydrate your lips, cuticles, elbows, dry skin areas, and even insect bites. The balm delivers antioxidant benefits of coconut oil and vitamin E to protect against harmful external stressors. So yeah, I mean, it sounds obviously exactly the same as Dr. Pawpaw. I'm just happy to get a different brand because let's try something. Maybe this is better than Dr. Pawpaw because I'm not really keen on Dr. Pawpaw. There, I said it. Yeah, so love the packaging. Really cute. I can't really put it on my lips. I've already got something on my lips already, but I'm going to open this one. Why not? So this is the applicator for it. Ooh. I was squeezing so hard there because nothing was coming out and it's all come out at once. Can you see that? That looks sticky. I don't know if it will be. Oh, okay, I don't think that will be sticky once it's on. I think that's going to be beautiful. Look at that. Nice high shine on it. It says you can use it on your cuticles and stuff. I mean, it feels hydrating on the cuticles. Whether I would use that because I mean, it doesn't feel too greasy, I suppose. But I will most likely use this on my lips. But yeah, I am happy to have got this one. Fifth product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Espa. And this is Bergamot and Jasmine Body Wash. It's travel size. And travel size is 75 mils, has a value of £6. Refresh and condition your skin with this soap-free body wash, infused with an uplifting blend of pure essential oils including bergamot and jasmine, kind to all skin types. The soap-free formula leaves the skin feeling supple and conditioned. This is awesome because in my glossy box I got the Espa body cream in there, so super happy to get a little body wash to go with it. Let's just have a little sniffy. Oh god, that's when it smells so good in the shower. Hot steamy shower with that scent. Nice. Great brand. Sixth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Hydra. I hope I'm saying that correct. London. And this is a Luxe Natural Sea Sponge. Ooh. This is a full-size product, has a value of £7.50. Oh, it says this is cosmetic. Enhance your body rituals with this luxurious silky sponge, sourced from the Mediterranean Sea, ideal for applying cosmetics for flawless and long-lasting results, for deep cleansing, especially for those hard to reach areas around the eyes and nose, and gentle exfoliation, which can help smoothen the look of fine lines and leave glowing skin. So what, do you use this washing your face or putting your makeup on? Right, I don't know why I got it in my head that I could apply makeup with it, but yeah, no, I think this is just for like, yeah, washing your face. I am slow on the uptake tonight, I do apologise. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this in here, am I? No, I'm not. Why am I lying? Just open it up, Joanne. Ooh. Can I smell anything? I can't smell anything. Not that it matters because you're going to put your product on it in anyway, but this is what it looks like. So obviously, yeah, dry at the minute. So when you add water to it, it's going to get all soft and lovely. I think that's good. I think that's going to be really nice. That is really good. I'm so happy to get, I mean, we always get like the little pads or something like that to remove your makeup, or the cleansing cloths. I mean, this is basically that, but it's something different, something unusual. I like it. Okay, so this is the May Look Fantastic box. What do you think? Personally, I really like this box. So lately, the Look Fantastic boxes haven't been great. They're either hit or miss, and yeah, lately they have been a bit miss. This is fantastic. The brands in the box are amazing. The products are amazing. I really, really like it, and I really feel like I've got my money's worth this month. So let's just take a quick recap. So yeah, we have the Bum Bum Cream. I can't wait to use that. In fact, I think I'm gonna move that up in my schedule to use. But yeah, we have a hair mask, we have an enzyme scrub, we have a multi-purpose balm, which I'm going to use on my lips by a different brand. And we have an espa body wash, and we have a cool natural sea sponge, which looks kind of interesting. But what do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Again, if you are interested in this box, I will link it down below for you. Click that link, it'll get you a bit cheaper, which is fantastic. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.